won't slow down, building my empire in this buzzing town, casting my vision on the silver screen, my funded life, a vivid sheen, my funded futures, light the way, breaking through.
Chat, good evening, everybody. We are having some technical difficulties with Steven. He will be live shortly, though. I do promise you that. Just give us some time to get him back up and running. Michael is working very hard on it. Anyway, how is everyone's night going so far? It's not a me segment. I'm not doing a segment. I just want to know how everyone is doing so far. Did anybody trade tonight? Has anybody traded already? Oni, I feel that. I'm ready to make some money as well. You need more monitors on the wall. I'm not putting no monitors on my wall. I have a 57-inch Samsung curved monitor right now. And then I also have my LG monitor right here. I do not plan on having any more monitors than that. No, my baby's upstairs asleep, Corb. She is tired. She's also only a month and a half old now, so she needs a lot of sleep. No, I'm not doing that. So when it comes to the evening setting, I only trade whenever I'm trading with Steven. I don't like scalping personally. It's not me. It's not a me thing. I like trading in the morning, and I follow liquidity sweeps and IFVGs, if y'all know what that is. No, only I'm not running with 332 monitors. I got one 32 monitor on my left, and then I have a 57-inch Samsung curved. I think it's the Odyssey G9 in front of me. I do have another monitor, but I don't use it no more. Maybe tomorrow, Sean. Remind me tomorrow, and I'll show you the monitor. All right? It's because I would have to move my camera, and it'd be very, very hard to do. Granted, I could just look it up for y'all if that's what you want. Let me look it up real quick. Y'all cool with seeing my monitor tomorrow if that's what y'all want? I can just show you tomorrow. No, I'm not getting rid of the Steelers hat. I've been a fan of them since I was 6 years old. I'm going to be a fan with them until I die. Tradovate takes up to 24 hours, Keith. Steven will be on soon, Mohammed. Yes, it is. It's scalping. And the cool thing about MyFundedFutures, we got rid of micro scalping. There's no more micro scalping, which means you can trade, or you can scalp micros, you can scalp minis. By the way, let's welcome the man, Steven.
Hey, I'm sorry, buddy. Had a little technical delay on the computer. Hey,
no, it's cool. It's cool.
Good evening, everybody. Good evening, everybody. Good evening, everybody. I hope everybody had a great day today. Gold was pretty wild. I got to say, gold was pretty wild today. Had a couple great shorts, and then I had a stop out, then caught a lot of great shorts above the 77, 78, 79, 81, 82 ranges. Got absolutely finally cabooshed about 20 points. And then a really great setup around 215 off the 15-minute time frame. Gold rallied here. I tell people all the time, like when you're fading, a trend, the most important thing is that the most important thing is that you have to learn to switch to micros. You have to adhere to stops. So if I'm calling a range 67.5 to 71.5, your stop's got to be 73.5. If you use micros, maybe tops you lose $400, $500, $600 tops. Okay, and then you can get back in the game. And then there's 5 or 6 or 7 shorts thereafter, early this morning, really cabooshed the market. And but it was overall a decent day. And then I'll show you the pattern I'm talking about here. Okay, early in today. Okay, if you look here, you can see this is the morning session right here. If you see the morning session, it was right around. Nope, it was right around. Is this it? What time is this? Nope, it was here. Okay, it was right here. Oh, it was right here. So I called this short right here, 67 to 73.5, got stopped. And then all these shorts here, little pullback off the 3-minute. And then these were the great shorts here. So you had 1, 2, 3 great shorts, another 3 here. This was a stop out. And then we called the long here on the pullback. Had the stop here, but then caught this long and then rallied. And then look at the 15-minute time frames here. Look at the 15-minute time frames. Really, really good here. Really great pattern here. Okay. Really great pattern. Okay. And 67 all the way up here to 83. Ran about 15 off the 15-minute time frame. The key here today was the underlying ETF, the GLDs. Let me show you here. The underlying ETF, the GLDs, were bullish here on the 30 and the 60-minute time frames all day. All right. All day. All day. So you can see here the GLDs, they pushed up. Okay. And then when you were making new highs here, the 30-minute MACDs didn't confirm. Like right now at the end of the day, at the end of the day here. All right. So anyway, let's see here. All right. Up 700 already on gold. That's a great job. Great job. All right. You know, I'm going to wait a little bit. If this gold, I'm going to see if this gold can, you're way overbought here. Let's see. Let's just see. Denny, where's the YouTube count? I can't see it on here. How many people are on for the night, Denny?
We're sitting at 461 right now.
Where do you see that?
I'm looking at the YouTube.
Yeah, I don't see it on here. Oh, maybe I have to scroll down more here.
Yeah, you might have to scroll down or make it larger.
I don't know. I don't see it, but
we're at 465 now.
Oh, there it is. 465 watching. Okay. All right. Okay. All right. So today was the end of the quarter. We saw the S&P futures push up here. And, you know, it was end of the quarter. And then at the end of the day, they got absolutely cabooshed. They dropped over 20 points. NASDAQ dropped about, I'd say the NASDAQ dropped from 4 o'clock, 24,920, dropped about 100 points after that. Okay. Great night last night. Great night last night. A little under the weather today here. Wasn't feeling well right out of the gate this morning. But I'll, you know, 2 hours, I should be able to handle it, 2 hours, and then be able to, you know, move forward here. All right. Okay. All right, gold pushing up to new highs here. Wow, 4,700. Good job. Plus 200 on gold short tonight. Good job, Martin. All right, I'm going to wait to see if this thing can get a push up maybe to 94, 95. That 3,900 is a big number here. That 3,900 is a big number. All right. Going to be really quiet here. S&Ps and NASDAQ futures pushing down to new lows here. Stephen K is for the caboose. Well, we got to get caboose. We got to get a caboose in here. And again, we got to get
the sounds.
We got to get some sounds.
I have the sounds now.
Okay. Oh, you got the sounds? Okay.
I do have the sounds.
All right. Well, we got to wait for one. Don't just give it away right now.
No. I'm not going to just give it away.
Mm-hmm. All right, let's just see if we get a big push up here. S&P is getting cabooshed here. 15 just reversed to sell. The 30 and the 60-minute time frames are still in buy mode. Okay, S&P is pushing up here. 20. Let's see here. All right, we got to wait here. I'm not just going to take a short on this gold yet. Got to wait. All right, 479. Then we got to do a little giveaway tonight. Little giveaway. So far, since the beginning here, tonight's our 14th night. MyFundedFutures has given away. MyFundedFutures has given away 460 core and scale accounts. That's insane.
Steven, we were just at 700 viewers already.
Today?
Yes.
When
we're at 678 now, but we were just at 700.
Wait, I don't see that. I see 479.
Refresh it. Refresh the stream.
I don't know how to do that.
Tell Michael to do it.
Michael walked out to go eat.
Okay.
Circle, top left.
Yeah, so if you go to the top left, there's like a little arrow that's going in a circle. If you press it, that refreshes the stream.
This one?
Yes.
I don't know what I did just now. Now, wonderful. I see 661. There we go. All right.
732. We're at 700 already tonight. Let's
Wow.
go, Chad.
All right. That is a giveaway. Put your name in. All right. We're going to put a link in here.
Yeah, I'm dropping a link in right now. We're at 797.
Wow.
900.
Wow. This is unbelievable. All right. So the S&P futures are pushing down to new lows here. I want to show you a really great pattern here today. Okay. 900. This is unbelievable. This is a super giveaway. What do you think? 30, 40, maybe 50?
I'm down. Okay, I'll tell you this.
There's 1,040. That's
there's 1,000 already.
That's insane. 1,000. All right. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to do 50 core giveaways. That's insane. 1,046, 1,091. It's because Crystal's here. That's what I'm talking about. All right. It's because Crystal's here.
1158 now. We are climbing, Steve.
Oh my God. Oh my God. All right, 1158. That's unbelievable. If we do maybe 1,500, we got to maybe do what? 75? That's insane. I don't know. Maybe 50. I don't want to do it. All right, this is a record 1,200. Okay, so let's see what's going to happen here. Last night we got the most unbelievable trades in the first 8 minutes. 1,200. We got the most 1220. This is the highest ever. Good job, Ashley and Denny. Great job. All right, let's see if we get a push up on this gold. Really monstrous day. Unbelievable. 1,300. That's insane. 1,300. Wow. Okay. All right. All right. 1,368. 1,500. Denny, what do you think?
I think we might hit it. We're at 1,400 already.
I don't know. I had a nice talk with 1,409. Wow. Okay. So let's see. I'm not going to force a trade. I want to see if this gold can push up here. And if you if you look here, again, I'm under the weather here. 1457. Here's a 30-minute. You can see that the MACDs on the 60-minute time frame are not going to confirm here. 1491. Oh my God, that's insane. That's insane. All right, I'm really happy everybody's starting to get the word out here. Okay, unbelievable that we're able to really see the markets and trade the markets appropriately. 1539. Wow. Okay, we got to wait for some really good trades. I'm not going to force a trade here just for the sake of 1,500 people. Okay. All right. 1568. All right. So S&P futures got cabooshed here. Again, you know, for me, I think gold is very overextended. Gold is very overextended. Okay. And now it's one of the most important things that people need to realize, okay, is that when you're trading, you really have to put your stop orders in, especially if you're fading a trend, right? When you're fading a trend. All right. Shorted gold, nice drop, FF trader. Just, you know, if you just caught a little bit here. Okay. 200 giveaways. No, I'm not. 1.2 million people. Wow. You know, I have two YouTube. I have a YouTube and a TikTok. On one video, I think I have over 100 million views. That's insane. That's absolutely insane. But I owe it to MyFundedFutures. They're a great company, great prop firm. For me, there's nothing better than, you know, again, people really need to learn the trading, my methodology. Every day, our goal is to try to make 10 points on the S&P, $10 on gold. That's just the minimum. That's just the minimum. Okay, that's just the minimum. All right. S&P's just dropped. Gold just dropped about $1.50 here. I want to see them get another push up here. I want to short the gold. I don't want to short it up here though. I want to see if it gets. I wanted to see if it got up to the 93 level on the gold futures. It got up to 92.5. It just dropped about 1. I'm not getting excited over 1 here. 1674. All right. I still think we're going to get one more push up here. One more push up. Okay, 1660. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. All right. So let me just show you here on the 5-minute. I was looking for 93. Again, you're making new highs here and the non-confirmation here. All right. All right. Denny, why'd you post the link so people can get early sign up here? All right. Denny's going to post.
It's already posted.
You did? Denny's going to post the link to sign up for the raffle. Okay. And if we have the raffle, I don't want to, I want this to be fair with everybody. So please sign up and we're going to let the AI pick it out. Okay. We're going to do some with the wheel and some let the AI pick it out. All right. Gold just dropped $1.50 here. And then what I want to say here, okay, is that the number one thing is we got to be patient and wait for the patterns. Okay. All right. All right. All right. 1 ace for 10 visions. All right. I don't know what that means. All right. We just dropped 200. You guys got to, I'm not going to force a trade here if there's no trade. Okay. What time of day? What time of day Denny hosts? Denny's hosting now with me. Okay. All right. So, all right. We're going to hold. What are we doing, Denny? 50 tonight, you said?
Yeah. We'll do 50 if they can keep us above 1,000.
Okay. All right. We'll keep up over 1,000. That's easy. How about this? If we do over 1,600, we get an extra maybe 20?
Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah, we'll do something like that.
But I want us to stay over 16. I don't want us to just get to 16 and then start dropping. No, I want to stay above.
They're saying they can't see anything here. I don't know what they're saying. They can't see it? All right. Did you short the gold up there? You didn't short the gold, did you? No, good. You did? You short the wow. Okay. I think you're gonna get one more push up here. All right. We're gonna get one more push up. Okay. So many new people. Baxter JK, Trevins J77. Hello. Nicholas Garcia. How are you? Neiman, he was here last night. FCM Kaboosh. Hey Blaze 2069. How are you? Okay. Okay, let's see. Gold just dropped 2 here. S&Ps. Come on, we got to get some rallies here going on the gold here. Denny, is that you? Who's touching my is that you, Denny? Oh shoot. Freaking gold just dropped 4.
I can't touch your stuff.
Gold just dropped here. Damn it. Damn it. I was at 93. Okay. All right. If we get back up to 1,500, actually 1,600, we stay there, we'll do an extra 20. How's that? Oh, my God. Look at this gold, this piece of garbage.
You heard that, huh, Jay Shine? I did just sell my gold.
Were you short?
I was short.
I was off. I said 90. I was thinking 93. The high was 92.5. The high was 92.5. Who got the short on the gold?
On that.
Joshua Torres, 260. Great job. I'm still in buys. Oh my God. Well, let's just see. Dinego Panera, how are you? Okay. Hit my TP 38. Did you do anything? Good. Okay, just wait. So one of the things I want to show you here, okay, is why I was looking for the gold to get to 92 and 93. You can see that the 60-minute MACDs are not going to confirm the high here. And also the 5-minute MACDs are not confirming the high. Those of you who are on my Twitter, I'm sorry, my X and my also my TikTok, you please need to go to MyFundedFutures to subscribe. Look at this, 1550, 1560. All right. I want to show you a couple of great patterns today. All right. This is Tesla. All right. I just want to show you the way the system works. Tesla's been bullish on the 60-minute time frame. Tesla's been bullish on the 30-minute time frame, which is indicator 4. We had a great buys here off the 15 and the 60-minute time frame, but this was a really great strategy right here. When the 15-minute time frame reverses to buy with the MACD, yellow over blue below the pivot, okay? And then what do you look to do? It correlated with the 30 and the 60. What do you look to do? You buy the first pullback here on the 5-minute. Here's 1, here's 2. Look at Tesla, 441, kaboom, $3 right there. Okay, all right, 1,600. If we stay above 1,600, okay, between now and 9 o'clock, I think we're going to do a total of 70 tonight. That's not bad. That's not bad. That's insane. Again, MyFundedFutures, again, I thank them for hosting me tonight here and sponsoring this every single night, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Great job, Alyssa. I had a nice talk with Alyssa today. And, you know, those of you who are in Asia, in Singapore, Bali, Indonesia, you know, more or less, I tell you there's no better prop firm. If you don't know about MyFundedFutures, this is a great prop firm, okay? And these guys want all of you to succeed. Look what they've done here. It's 460 giveaways in 13 days as of last night. And if we do 70 tonight, let's say even if we did 50, that's 510 in 14 days, okay? Sweden, there you go. Tony is up 400. Great job. Look at this gold get cabooshed. Come on, rally, please, so I can short you. Okay. Oh my God Almighty. All right, 1662. All right. Again, one of the things that's really important is to understand my methodology. For those of you who are new, okay, basically I look at 3 time frames: a 15, a 30, and a 60-minute time frame. And what I look at basically, okay, is the understanding that when you have 3 time frames based upon my indicator 4, you can have 5 conditions in the market. You can have a trend, you can have a buy reversal, a sell reversal, a correlation, and a disconnect. One of my most important parts of my research that I tell people all the time, okay, is when you trade the continuous contracts like the S&P, the NASDAQ, gold, oil, okay, RTY, YM futures, you need to look at the underlying ETFs, okay? You need to look at the underlying ETFs during the U.S. session. It is unbelievable how the correlations and the disconnects, and every one of my strategies of the 5 conditions, there are 5 conditions and 10 strategies. Each condition has a buy and a sell divergence, okay? So all my strategies are really based upon divergences, okay? And they're very powerful. When you get a powerful divergence, buy in or sell, you better be going in that direction, okay? 1711. Daddy, this is a record, bro. This is a record.
It's crazy that it just keeps climbing.
Well, this is unbelievable. And again, those of you who are on my TikTok, please go over to MyFundedFutures and sign up for the raffle. Okay. Maybe we should just do maybe we should do 10 now. What do you think? 10 now, Denny?
Yeah, I'm fine. I got to
let's do 10 on the wheel. How's that?
On the wheel? All right, give me one.
We're going to do 10 on the wheel. Okay. Again, I thank Matt Leach and Luke and Denny and Alyssa and Burke and Magnus for really putting this all together. And I'm trying to get on the MyFundedFutures TV show anytime after 10 o'clock. I mean, well, actually after 11 o'clock, because the first hour and a half, the trading's just insane. Okay. Just insane here. Let's see. All right. We just dropped about 80. All right. Dropped 100. All right. Why don't we do 10? These are, again, you have to sign up here, everybody. Okay. All right. All right. You have to sign up. All right, everybody. You guys ready?
I got the wheel ready.
Are you guys ready for the wheel? 10. We're going to give away 10 since it's slow. You guys ready?
Everybody ready?
All right, let's do it. 10. Look at this gold get cabooshed. Let's do it, Denny.
I'm doing it right now. Let's do it. SP4.
Oh, I seen him. SP4.
Congratulations.
There you go. Look at this gold get cabooshed.
Look at it's dropping. I'm so sad.
Oh
I make an extra 500, but I wanted to move my TP down.
Come on, guys.
Mark Jackson, congratulations.
Oh, I know Mark Jackson. Congratulations. If you want to take, let me see what the low here on this gold is. Let me get a push up.
Diego Pineria, congratulations.
Congratulations.
I think gold's going to keep dropping.
I think I'm going to try to, if this gold gets down to the 82.30, 86.30, I look to buy it for a scalp long only. But I love to short this thing.
Elvis Denalio, congratulations.
Oh my God, congratulations. There you go. You got it? You made 630?
Look, it's still dropping, Steve.
In it for long.
Yeah, I think it's going to go one more push down, then it should maybe get a push up to a lower high.
Got it.
How much?
Just
All right.
one contract.
Look at this
Captain Price, congratulations.
Hey, I've seen him. The link, you have to go to MyFundedFutures to get the link. The MyFundedFutures YouTube, people. Gold just rallied about $2. I would cancel. Well, actually, about $1 here. I would cancel the buy.
Valentina, congratulations.
Hey, I see Valentina. Good job, Valentina. Did you put your name in?
That's a huge name. He said, "Good luck, Denny."
Yeah, but I don't know if everybody signed up.
Walker Hound, congrats.
Wow, Walker, he's new. I've never seen him before.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We're at 7. We got 3 more to go.
Okay.
Make sure y'all are clicking the link. It is pinned in the YouTube. Fiber Splice God. Congratulations.
What kind of name is that?
I don't know.
No, it's still in the wheel. No.
Got 2 more to go.
He's crying somewhere. Two more.
Mike S. Congrats.
Oh, Mike S. Is that Mike Sweeney?
Is it Mike Swingy? Mike Swingy, if it's you, say something in the chat. 1 more. Let's see who the last winner is for right now. Stillers, yuck. Come on, Andreas. Ryan Nichols, congrats.
Oh, Brian Nichols, I remember him. Congrats. All right, that's 10, right?
Yep,
all right.
that is 10.
Okay, so we'll do another 10 in about 20 minutes, right before the Chinese market opens here. Gold just rallied about $1.50. I knew they're going to get one more push up here. All right, pretty slow night here. Again, it might be because obviously, the Jewish holidays is tomorrow. We got Yom Kippur, and then on Wednesday and Thursday here. But we may see some action here. Now, yesterday we saw a lot of action the first 8 minutes into the night. Okay, look at this gold just rallied too. Okay, all right. So congratulations to the 10 winners. If you want to sign up, you need to click on the link and fill it out. Again, I stream every single day from 9 to 4. If you would like to join my website, sktrading.live. If you'd like to give me a call, my cell phone, I returned about 300 text messages on Friday, 914-500-7484. I'm trying to figure a way, because we stream, I'm trying to figure a way where I can give away 5 or 10 of my live stream, for my service every day from 9 to 4. I'm trying to figure a way on the back end how I can do that. So I should have an answer in the next couple of days. MyFundedFutures is really, doing a lot here between hosting the show here. Sponsoring the show. I'm hosting it, and then giving away, over 470 of these accounts now. It's a lot. These guys are really dedicated to all of you. So again, the more we watch, the more, obviously some nights are busier. We normally get anywhere between 8 to 10 great trades in a night. It could be because, last week we had Rosh Hashanah and it was kind of slow. I think we had about 6 or 7. But again, we just try to just get involved. I knew the gold was a short up there. I was looking around 93 and a half. Of course, the high is 92 and a half, and then it got absolutely kabooshed. Okay. All right. Just a trader. Why are we shorting gold? Because you have non-confirmations. Okay. But this gold right now looks like it may want to turn up on the 15-minute time frame. You got to be patient on the short now. Okay. When I first walked in, the 30-minute, the 15-minute time frames were getting overbought here. You can see the overbought condition, and the MACD is negative. So I thought this was a really good short. I was thinking the more 93 range. Okay. All right. We're steady at 1673. If anybody wants to watch me during the day, I stream at sktrading.live. That's my website. If you want to come join us every day from 9 to 4, you get my chart overlay. You get my member Discord and get my live stream, which is about 1 to 2 seconds on it. Look at this gold. Again, it's really a great community. Everybody helps each other. We're all here to try to to do well, to be consistent, hit your goals. Stop, watch, learn, listen. Okay? All right. That's why I thought the goal was going to buy. See?
Oh, it's in a buy.
Yeah, no, Denny. Yeah, no, I thought you said it was going to go lower. All right. So we have about 1,714 people now. This is a record. I can't thank you enough. I want to grow this so big, okay, because I do believe, like the moves that we called last night and every single night so far, we are on fire. I'm not trying to jinx it. Look at this gold rally 3. Okay. And again, basically, it's really about one thing, just learning the methodology, learning the strategies, why these trades. Okay. I tried to go in there on the gold at 86.30. Of course, what was the low here? Right here, 85.59. So gold just rallied forward. Oh, my God. Look at this gold. Look at this gold. All right, I would probably take a scalp short here. If it gets to the 90.80 to the 94.80, I would scale in on that pattern. Okay, I would scale in on the short. You got the MACD's negative on the 5. So let's just see if here 90.80. Now we do have the what do you call it market opening, the Chinese market opening here in oh, look at this gold. Jesus, Lord God Almighty. Just ran $6 off the low. Okay. All right. This gold is completely out of control. All right. Hello, Trader 007. How are you? Okay. All right. All right. So again, one of the most important things here, okay, that was trying to buy the gold off that 5-minute oversold. Okay. The 15s look like they were going to try to turn up. All right. Again, we got the Chinese market can open here in about 18 minutes. Let's see if we can get a little bit of a caboose in here. Okay. And all right. So we had 10 great winners here today. That was great. 10 great winners. Look at this gold right back up. Just ran 7. All right. Okay. Let's see if we get a drop here. MACD's negative on the 5. Need a caboose in here. All right. Look to cover this gold anywhere between the 90 and 91.5 range if you're short. Here we go. 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 That's it. Beautiful. There you go. You get that, Crystal?
Time
Good
for a
stuff.
caboose sound, Steve?
No, it got to drop another $1 for a caboose. There you go. Okay. We just lost 500 people. What are they, crazy? These people are not loyal. All right. Okay. I still think the Chinese market is going to, I still think the Chinese market, okay, is going to push this gold upward here. Okay. All right. Okay. We were just at 1740. Now we're at 1140. What happened? They all went to, is there a football game on or something? Oh, baseball. Baseball game. Baseball game. Come on, guys. We get over 1,500, 1,600. We may do another 20. Okay, Denny,
We
you
need to
get that
stay there
short?
too, chat. Look,
Good
now we're
job.
down we're down another 200.
Oh my God. What happened? What did you give away? A free Carvel ice cream or something? What is that? Jesus. All right, gold just dropped about $1, almost 2 here. Okay. All right. Good job on the short on the gold. I want a caboose time. You better believe it. I think the caboose time is going to happen actually after the Chinese market. All right, I'd be flat this gold here. Okay. Just dropped about $2. Any of my guys got the short there? Anybody? Anybody?
Did you catch the short, Steve?
I don't know. No, because Michael's not here. He's eating his dinner out in the car.
Costing you money.
Yeah, exactly.
I don't like dinghies. Thank you very much, Brian.
Where did 800 people just go?
I don't know. We just dropped a lot. Come on, chat. We're still dropping.
God. What is going on? There's no loyalty here.
None whatsoever. They heard free accounts, the first 10 winners, and then everybody just started leaving.
Well, they got, here's a rude awakening. If they're not here, they're not winning.
No. Well, we just lost another 50.
What the heck? Well, anyway, that was pretty impressive. 1,740 people watching. Again, it could be just because it's a slow night here. Okay. My YouTube channel got kabooshed. What happened?
Still here.
What happened? Did you get short?
Mm-hmm.
Good. What'd you make on that?
Couple hundred too.
Okay. 200 here, 200 here, 200 here, 200 here.
5
You're in the
times.
game.
Yeah.
Well, what's wrong with that? Even if you hit $300 to $500 a day on 5 accounts, what's wrong with that? Right? Right? That's what I'm saying. Unbelievable. All right. So gold just got kabooshed here. A couple of dollars here again. Hey, Brett, good job. Brett just made 250. Joe's long 15. Okay, you got that long. That's a good job. I tried to get that long down here on the gold. I said 86.30 right after it pushed up here to like I think it was like 86.90. It never dipped and then it just shot right back up. I think it was right here. Yeah, 86.90. I tried to buy it at 86.30 and it got it, and it actually went kaboom. It rallied. Okay. All right. I don't know what made this drive up to 1740 and then 1100 faded. Are they crazy? This is insane.
I don't know why they left. We're all the way back down to 698 now, though.
I don't know. 700. Guys, if you put your name in a raffle, let's get something straight. You're not here, you ain't winning. Period. Okay, you ain't winning. So the 1,000 people who went AWOL, if you're not here, adios. Right? Adios. All right. So I do expect to push up here in the next 14 minutes. Okay. I do expect to push up here. And I think what's going to happen here is I think the Chinese market's really going to push this up. And we'll see. All right. We'll see. Do another raffle? What? No, maybe right before the. Well, we'll see. We'll see. Okay. We'll see. Okay. Looks like no bonus tonight. Where's the loyalty here? Are you guys crazy? Do you know I almost canceled this tonight? You have no idea the pain I was in today. Forget it. Okay. Jamie Page. Okay. Again, MyFundedFutures. Again, the best prop firm out there, guys. Luke, Denny, Magnus, Alyssa, Burke. Right. And again, it's just unbelievable the amount of the commitment that they have for all of you. The amount of commitment. Okay. All right. It's really unbelievable. All right. Still 700, a good number. I'd like to see 1,000 higher. That would have been, I'd like to see 10,000 people. I want this to be the #1 show at night for everybody. Okay. The amount of, you got two great, good job. Good job, Lost Penny. Great job, Lost Penny. Okay. All right. Good job, Lost Penny. Yeah, this is the same guy. I lost 8,000 shorting. My wife is leaving with my kids. Well, maybe it's you, maybe it's not you, not the trading. How's that? This is the same hoople from yesterday. Okay. The same hoople. Okay. I'm just reading it. I heard Top Steps better. I don't know about that. I think that's, I don't know about that. I wouldn't be here. Okay. There you go. Baraka 888 made 300. There you go. Good job. Denny, let me know if you want me on the MyFundedFutures TV during the week at all.
I'm talking with Luke about it already. I think it would be a good thing to do.
Okay. Jack, I don't know how you blew an account. Okay. I agree. You know, you got to really Top Steps. No, I'm not going to repeat the negative comments about Top Step. That's not what we do here. Okay.
Do you know who's saying that, Steve? Look, chat, I'm telling you right now, we do not want you mentioning other prop firms on our live. We do not want you talking bad about them. We don't want you to come up here saying that they're better than us. Like, it's not fair to us, especially when we're doing all these giveaways for y'all. And we bring y'all great content.
Yeah,
All
yeah.
we ask is
That's
for you to
not
be
cool, man. That's not cool. You guys have to. You know the word couth. You got to have some couth, man. You can't be doing that. Okay, really. Okay. Good job, Lost Penny. I mean, there's no reason to trash another firm. There's no need to talk about another firm. We're here. We're trying to make this work and excitable for everybody. There's no need for that. And the commitment of MyFundedFutures is through the freaking roof, really. For Denny to be here, works all day as I do, to come here at 8 to 10 o'clock at night. I almost canceled tonight, guys. I literally was in the doctor's office for 2 hours tonight, okay? And I almost canceled. But I said, you know what? I said, I'm going to just suck it up. You know, I got hit by a car once. I went 20 feet in the air. I landed like a cat, and I got home at 4:30 in the morning. My body was completely, you know, I didn't break any bones, but 2/3 of my body was all bruised up. You know what I did? It took me 2.5 hours to get dressed, and I could barely move my body, and I drove my son to the school just so because we had a tradition every single day for me to drive him to school, and I didn't want to break that tradition for my son. So, you know, I have a high tolerance of pain, but again, today I thought I was going down for the count, but I'm here, okay? Denny's here, and that's all that matters, okay? But let's just try to, you know, everybody be polite, respectful, and that's all that matters, okay? And really, and then let's just trade, let's just trade and wait for the right setups and patterns. So again, when I walked in, I thought I thought gold was a good short here. I said 93, maybe 93 and a half. I waited, it got to 92 and a half. It got absolutely kabooshed here, about I would say about $7 here. And I tried to buy it here, and then of course it went up, but I caught the short into the negative MACD. So at least we're 1 for 1 here for tonight. Okay, all right, all right, all right. We had about seven. That was a fluke. Where'd that come from? 1,000 more people. That was insane. Okay. Nasdaq futures just dropped 8, little bear flag on the 5. Like to see if the S&Ps can get up there. Here, look at the gold getting kabooshed here. So this is the S&P futures on this pattern here. You can see the S&P futures here. Okay, you can see the S&P futures right here. 1850 just dropped 2 here. First bounce on the 5-minute time frame after the 15s reversed to sell. Let me show it to you right here. Here's the push up, negative MACD. This is the push up. Nasdaq just dropped about 8. Gold just keeps going lower here. Again, you have nothing but sell divergences on gold on the 15, 30, the 5, 15, and 30-minute time frames. All right. Okay, gold just dropped roughly a little over 2 here. All right, about 743. Okay, good number. Denny, why don't we do 10 more, Denny, before the Chinese markets?
All right, I can do that right now.
You want to do the wheel or you want to do the AI? What do you guys want, the wheel or the AI? What do you guys want, the wheel or the AI? AI. All right, they want the AI. Okay. All right. So was it the AI just picks it just once?
Yeah. Then they'll just pick their names once.
Okay. All right. This is unbelievable. Okay. So let's do this here. If the Nasdaq gets up to the 12 to 32 range, I'll look to short it. Nasdaq S&Ps, if it gets up to the 18.5 to the 22.5 range, I would look to short it. All right. We're going to have the Chinese market open in about 6 minutes here. Good job, Andrew. Bull flag gold? No,
All right.
I don't think so.
Chad, everybody can see I told you to pick 10 random names. We're about to do it right now.
Let's do it. Youssef, how are you? Johnny SP, congrats.
All right. So the winners are Quarter Quests, Caden Campbell, Andrew Hawken,
Hey, Andrew Hawken again, another winner.
Miguel Jimenez, DJ Up, Jez, Fancy,
Oh, Fancy one. That's
Yep,
my
Fancy.
buddy David.
Cycling Grandpa,
What?
Mistful 1337, and Nicholas Trito.
Hey, Nicholas, that's my first baseman.
Congratulations to all of you.
Good job. That's 20. There you go. Good job. Good job. That's a great job, everybody. Andrew, good job. Again, who does this, people? Okay. Look at this. Great, great, great. How do we win? You guys need to go on my TikTok to MyFundedFutures YouTube, fill out the form, and then be part of the raffle. You can still be part of it, okay? All right. All right, let's see what's S&P's just dropped 3 here on that pattern, right into the bear flag. This is the first bounce on the 5 after the 15 reversed to sell. You can see that this is the first bounce on the 5-minute right here on this bear flag. All right, I would cancel the NASDAQ and S&P. NASDAQ just dropped about 12. Okay. All right. And if you look here, you can see the 30-minute time frame on the S&P is reversed to sell. So what we're going to do is look for bounces to get short. We're oversold on the 15 and 30. Next thing you want to do is short the next rally on the NASDAQ and S&P. Gold just dropped about 4 here. 300. Gary B, how are you? Gary B was a winner a couple of days ago. Okay, Artan just sent me the U.S. government shut down after midnight as funding bill failed to pass. Well, that's going to hurt the markets. Okay, that should hurt the markets. Okay, gold. We got to wait here now. Do I have any tips for a prop firm? Yeah, MyFundedFutures. What do you think I'm going to say? I'm here, ain't I? 2 hours every night. Jack set, right? Okay, a little quiet here. NASDAQ just got cabooshed on the bear flag. Just dropped about 14.5. S&P's just, if it takes 14.5, will drop 3. I saw that bear flag, but I was in the middle of the gold here. All right. Well, gold just got cabooshed. S&P's just got cabooshed. NASDAQ just dropped 19. What a bear flag. Jesus. Anybody trade NASDAQ, S&P here during the Asian markets here? Okay. All right. We got 1 minute here for the Chinese markets. Okay. David, a good friend of mine, David won. I mean, David, I know. I met David at the Breakers Hotel one night. Good job. I'm very happy. 2,000 on the NASDAQ. Good job, Nathan. That's a beautiful bear flag. Okay, beautiful bear flag on the 5-minute time frame on the S&P and NASDAQ right here. I was looking at the gold, though. So the 15 and the 30 reverse to sell. You short the first bounce on the 5-minute, 18.5, drop 4. NASDAQ just got completely kabooshed. Okay. All right. There goes the gold. The guy who bought 92.5s on the gold, he jumped. Okay. All right. I like to see the Asian market here, the Chinese market rally these, but who knows? Now, it could get kabooshed here. Gold just dropped 5 so far. Oil doesn't do much in this session here at all. Oil doesn't do anything really. Okay. All right. How do we win? You got to be part of the MyFundedFutures YouTube register. Okay, gold. Let's see if this gold can get another big push up here. Here we go. Come on. Rally to 95, 96. You caught that long, Michael? Okay. 15s are starting to turn up. 15s are starting to turn up. It depends if you guys are trading micros, the big ones. Gold just rallied, what, 2 here? Put this up. I got to tell you, a lot of people have come to me and said, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. I said, for what, for what, for what? And they said, because you got me trading gold and it's changed my life. Well, you know, there are times oil's crazy. The indexes are nuts, right? Look at this gold. Come on, give me a push up to 95. Give me a push up. You got the 15-minute time frame looking like it wants to turn up here. So hopefully we get this push up here. The high of the day, 92.5. You can see here, 92.5 stopped here, 92.5 stopped here, 92.5 stopped here. I didn't want to miss it. That's why I went 90.80 to 94.80 on the gold short on that, right? Okay. You guys got to be in here to win, right, Denny?
Yes, you have to
You
be
guys
in the
gotta
chat
be
to
here.
win.
Okay. All right. I'm heading out. Okay, Disco, if you put your name in, we guys still have a couple more raffles to do here. Okay, just gotta wait. I don't like trading options. I mean, you got the futures market. I mean, like, for what? You know, you got really, in all honesty, here, you really got the Asian markets here. You got the, you know, the to me the futures markets. Heath, $1,000 on that gold rally. Good job. Good job. The 15s are turning up here. If we do get a kabooshin, maybe I'll take a long on an oversold condition here. Okay. No plunge predictions. Yep. Nobody's short. Right? Nobody's short. Okay. I should have shorted them up there. Just Stopped out. Where? You called the long. Nice short. Just dropped 2. All right, let's just watch it here. Very, very quiet here tonight. We're lucky we do about 7 or 8 trades, if that. Yesterday out of the gate, there were like unbelievable shorts. Boom. 8, a short, a long, a short, and then a caboose. Unbelievable. Which indicators you use for your overbought, oversold? I use, here's this guy. Can we block this guy, AYY, Denny? I'm tired of this guy, really. Enough. I'm tired of this guy, this joker. Denny, can we block him? Thank you.
Yeah, he's
Get him
gone.
out. Gone. I'm tired of people. Tired of nonsense. Okay. Good job, Sinclair. Okay. Again, every day, if you're interested in joining my website, it's sktrading.live. I stream every day from 9 to 4. If you'd like to come join me every day, we trade index futures, gold, equities, ETFs. No, I mean, people do options, but on bigger time frames. Okay. I want to see this gold. Give me a rally, please. My trading view 15-minute is flat as paper. Well, you're going to get a push up here. The 5 and the 15 should get another push up here. What's the email? You just go to my website, sktrading.live. That's it. Okay. I'm looking for a caboose. No, I have no time for that. ATEC, are you crazy? Too old for this. Been doing this too long. Yeah, Patrick came to my office back in 2018. He did a couple of YouTubes with me. In a couple of years, I think it has about 6-7 million people. And I said to Patrick, "What are you doing?" He said, "Well, I'm an influencer." I go, "Will you trade futures? Enough is enough. Learn futures." He goes, "I don't know what I'm doing." I said, "Well, I'll teach you." Okay. I think the market's going to get caboosed overnight. I agree with you. I have no tolerance for that. If there's anybody who's disrespectful here, even my own live stream on my chat, and so far there's been 0, absolutely 0. If there's anyone who asks a question or trolls another person or anything, I don't care about money. Out. Hasta la vista. Gone. I don't care. You have to show kindness. You have to be caring of other people. You don't do things like that. You don't do it. And there's no reason to be BSing here or wasting anybody's time here. Luke, Denny, my time. Michael, I have no idea where he went. I think he got mad at me. I told him he had to be here. So I get in the house today. My son's watching the Yankee game with my daughter, right, and Hendricks, right? And I get in, right, from a dinner. And again, I'm not feeling well, right? And I said to Michael, "Please be at my office at 7:45. So he's watching the Yankee game. He's laying on the couch like he hit the Powerball. And my daughter says, "Dad, I'll see you later. Thank you for watching Hendricks, my doggy that I rescued." And he gets up and he goes to the bathroom, takes a shower because he's allowing to stay with me. And I literally live 6 minutes away. I said, "Michael, it's 7:45. Got it." So I call him 7:58, 7:59, 8 o'clock. Then and I go, "Where are you?" He goes, "I'm getting my food." Are you crazy? Are you nuts? He's getting thermal paste. Right. How in the God's creation? I said, "Did I ask you nicely, please don't give me any more stress?" So we'll see. 38.70 is your gold target. I think gold's going a lot lower than that. How's that? Right? Okay. I want to see this market rally to get short on the gold. I'm not doing anything here. And let me just tell you, right? One of the most important things is my patience. You need to be patient, right? You need to be patient, okay? And thank you, Zach. You need to be patient for a trade. Most important thing, right? Sometimes you'll get 5 trades Here, maybe sometimes we'll get 8 to 14, but you don't see me force anything. When I walked in, someone asked me here, right, why are we shorting gold? And I said, I'm looking to short this gold if you get to the 90, 93, 95 range. And it's because you had non-confirmations on the 15, the 5, 15, and 30 minute. You can see here, I'm sorry, the 60 minute. Was it 60? I think it was a 60. The 60 minute. You can see the MACDs couldn't confirm here. The MACDs couldn't confirm. All right. All right, 762. That's still a high number. We had 1,000 more. Where'd they all go? I don't know. How much you up today?
Today?
No, now.
I'm waiting.
No, but what
It was like 200.
all right, you're up 200 for the night? Okay. Now, if you had, 4 or 5 accounts, you'll be sitting pretty. All right. Let's see if this gold's going to pop here off the 15. Come on, gold. Give me the 95. Let them have them. Okay. Let them have them. 5 accounts, right? And you're good. I agree. Right? 3,900 is going to be a big level. I agree. I think it fails big time. And if you guys want to take, if you guys thinking for a swing trade, that gold, you may want to look at the GLLs or dust for a swing trade. Again, this gold just rallied here. 87. Cool Joker. There you go. There you go. Thank you. We'll have a day off on on Friday. 4,000 only 100 away. It's really nothing on the gold. We have the employment number on Friday. It could hit it there, believe it or not, right? It could hit it there. Hey, Camilio. Thank you. Brett, good job on the long. I was hoping for a caboose up 3 on the gold. Come on, give me 95. Hey, CJ, where have you been? Okay. 5 accounts for like 300. That's a steal. Okay, good job. Gold short or long now? I'm waiting for a short. Anybody trade silver here? Another crazy one. Oh, yeah. Silver? Let's look at silver on the overnight. Oh, during the day? Oh, my God, silver's crazy. Anybody trade silver during the day? We might be able to trade silver here, but not a lot of contract. You guys can trade silver? Can you guys trade silver?
Yes, we can.
Oh, good job.
What's the symbol?
Well, it's at SI. I mean, it's got the identical same pattern as gold. Believe it. I mean, look at that pattern, pretty much. You guys want to trade silver? We could do silver too here, if you guys like it. Ocean sailing. Up 33 cents. Look at this. Let's see what the 30 and 60 look like here. It looks like it's going to turn up even more. Jesus. 60. But it's got non-confirmations here. Oh, my God. 47.20 on silver. Oh, my Lord God. There goes the gold. Stocks, GC. Okay. If you want to take a scalp long here on the S&P, okay, you can look to go 08.5, 12.5. You're getting this deeply oversold. Again, there's most likely going to be a government shutdown, so they're going to get caboose tomorrow. Okay? They're going to get a caboose. Silver was dope. Oh, yeah. You can see it. Jesus. Look at this push up here at 11 o'clock, 46.95. Oh, my God. It dropped 55 cents here. Overbought into these negative MACDs on the 60. Unbelievable. We could do silver. When are we going to short gold? I don't know. I got to look at it. Maybe if it gets up to the 90, what does it get up to just now? 91? I just don't want to. What's the high here on the 5? 91. Let's just see if it gets above 91, 91 and a half, 92. Let's see. Okay. I want to see this gold really push up here, though. I like to see it get to 93, 95. I don't know if it's going to happen tonight. It may happen after 10 o'clock. Denny, they're asking how much you up tonight.
I am up $1,100 on one account and $500 on another.
So Denny's 14 for 14. Tonight's our 14th night.
I'm sad that I'm missing this silver move right now.
You want to trade silver? We can trade silver.
I was going to get in, but it's taking off without me now.
Yeah. I think the silver is a short up here. If you want to take a short, 98 and a half to like probably 47.03 and a half range. I think the silver is a short here. Again, you know, I used to trade silver, big size, 20, 30, 40 contracts.
Oh my God, it's pushing.
Yeah. You probably have to go, if you go 98 and a half, 99 to 04, 04 and a half range. This gold is going to push up here. This gold is going to push up. I believe it's $25 a take, right, Denny?
Yeah. Hey, I just made $700 on silver. Let's go.
Let's go, Denny.
Let's go.
I cover the short here, 98 and a half to 99 and a half if you're short. This gold's going to push up here. This gold's going to push up. Guys, we got silver as another asset here. I'm psyched. I'm stoked. Let's go. And this freaking oil just ran 30 cents. What's going on with oil tonight?
I'm in gold on one right now. It's up 1,200 because I got in on a buy at 3889.1.
On gold?
Yeah, on gold.
Okay, probably raise your stops.
Well, my stop's at break even now.
Okay. 89, you probably should raise it to like 90. At least lock in something like 90 and a half.
All right.
Right?
That's $700 if it comes back and taps it.
Well, you got more money. How many long? 1?
No, 5.
Gold?
Yeah, 5 on gold.
Probably sell 2 here, raise your stop.
I might sell all together. I'm up 1,300.
Sold!
I'm out. I'm out. Woo!
Got to get this silver to drop. What a long here. Just rallied 15 cents on the silver. There goes. This gold is going to go to 93 and a half, 95. Watch. This gold gets up to the, let's say, 94 and a half to 90 and a half or 99, 95 to 99 range. I would look to short it. Then you want to do 10 more raffles here? Quickly?
Yeah.
Let's do the wheel. I like the wheel. You guys want the wheel or you want the, what do you want, the wheel?
Here comes that short on silver you were talking about.
Yeah. I think you're going to get a pullback. Everybody wants the AI. Come on. All right, AI. All right, gaming channel. Well, all right, they want the AI.
The AI? You want the AI?
How do you join? You got to go to MyFundedFutures.
All right.
You got to go to
show the AI.
Oh my God. All right, this will be 30 for the night. Let's do it.
Let me share my screen. Chat, everybody sees I told ChatGPT, remove them from the master list and pick another 10 now.
Ryan Nichols, congratulations. Didn't you win tonight, Ryan?
Ryan Nichols did win. Yes, he did.
You can look to cover this here, this silver, 98.5, 99 to the 01 level. This thing should drop. Let's see if this gold can get one more push up here.
All right. Our next winners is Sharo, NV, and Roast. Did you die?
Did you die?
Yeah. User YI, Abstract, Shally Wolf, Cod GG, Michael Lenz.
Oh, Michael Lenz, my buddy.
Yeah, you know him?
Yeah.
Nice.
He's a good man.
Mahmood.
Oh,
Mahmood. And Keegan Murphy.
TG
Congratulations, you 10 winners.
There you go. That's 30 on the night. Look at this gold get kabooshed. Come on.
I have the kaboosh sound. You want me to activate it?
No, we didn't get short. It hit 92.5 again, and it got kabooshed. I was waiting for 93.95 range. Oh, my God almighty. If you're long the S&Ps, here, I've kicked these out here, 13.75, 14. Okay? Traded down to 12. Oh, my God almighty. Look at these. Look at this gold. Good job, Clayton. Made 100 there on the gold short. Good out on the long, Denny.
Thank you.
Probably would have been stopped out right here.
Yeah, it would already.
Michael Pitts.
Yeah, right there. It would have stopped me out.
It's like 4 times 92.5. 1, 2, yeah, about three or 4 times.
I want to get into this. What's called the silver again. Oh my God, it's taking off without me.
I'd short this year. I'd be short.
I'll short it to make $500 real quick. And yet it's taken off into a buy for me.
Oh my God, look at this gold. Look at this. So you got to be short up here. I'd be shorting this thing. Where's Michael? Silver. You can't follow silver? All right, this gold's going to push up here. Oh my God.
Silver is pushing.
Where are you short?
No, I was going to buy.
Buy?
Yes. On silver, I got into a buy on it.
You're long?
Yes, I was long.
Wow. This thing's going to drop.
I'm out. Oh my God, that's a major push.
I like this silver at night here. This thing's going to drop like 7-8 cents here. Just drop. Here we go. Look at it.
Finally dropped.
Look at it. Just dropped 6-7 cents.
Hey, I made $2,400 on that though.
There you go. This thing's going to drop. Why ain't the gold rallying here? Oh, this silver is insane. Can you imagine the silver was stuck at $27 forever? I have a friend of mine that owned so much silver, and he was crying. Every time it hit 28, it would drop. It dropped to 24. He goes, I give up. I can't understand why gold's making new highs and silver's not going. This guy just bought a yacht. Did you catch the silver?
I did.
Good. Oh, you can. Good job. Michael Heath, how are you? Silver's 23 cents above the 10-bar moving average here. That's insane. Now, this gold should push up to 93.5, 95 range. Are you short? Are you allowed to short?
Am I allowed to?
Short. It's over.
I can't find the ticker.
Look back in.
Or it doesn't have it on the.
Nasdaq just rallied about 10 points. The silver is going to get kabooshed. Just dropped 3 cents, 4 cents.
Number 200.
There you go. You're short gold here, 92. Okay, here we go. 5 cents on silver. All right, we did 30 giveaways here. Okay. Michael Pitts, someone give the gold a Red Bull. I agree. Gold needs a Red Bull. That's pretty fun on the silver. Jesus. This thing could drop all the way down to 13, but I think it could drop down to the 13.5, 14.5 range. The positive MACD, ADX rising, rate just got down to 16. Let's just see if we get a push down for a long. I think it's $25 a tick, right on silver? I haven't traded in a long time. You're trading based upon the pattern using indicator 3 and the divergences off the MACDs. Silver's still on TradingView? It depends on how much you invest. Come on. Wow, this is unbelievable. How many contracts trade on this pencil up in silver? Wow. Almost 1,948. Unbelievable. Come on, gold, do something. S&Ps, anybody get the S&Ps? S&Ps just rallied 3. NASDAQ just ran about 15 off that deep oversold condition. Anybody get the long on the S&P? Come on, here goes the gold. This gold's going to 95, trust me. see if this go. All right, here we go. I want to see this gold get up to 95. Here we go. 93. If this gold gets up to the 94.80, 98.80, I would look to short this gold. Silver is going to drop here and set up a nice long on silver. Silver just dropped another 5 cents here.
Wow.
Is that?
9:30.
It's 9:30 already. I know. I like this silver. Denny, what do you think? When do you look at some silver going forward here?
Oh yeah, I definitely think so. I like it.
I mean, anybody get long the S&Ps here at 12 and a half? I mean, come on. The NASDAQ futures just rallied almost 20. S&Ps just ran 4. Gold wants to push up to 3,900. I think if silver gets this pullback on the 5, you got to go long. I would look to go long this silver. Gold, silver just traded down here. Look at this, 7 cents on silver. Oh, come on, gold. Jesus, Lord God. What did it get up to? 90 what?
93.6.
Come on. Give me this push up. I want to see the 5-minute time frame get oversold on gold, on silver. Okay, let's see here. Come on, silver and gold, do something. 8:34 here in Colombia. Hello, Camelia, how are you? 7:52. I need 3 points to get out of the NASDAQ. My stop loss got taken out. I called along on that. What are you talking about? You're short NASDAQ? Look at this gold drop. Good job. Caught the S&P. Good job. Good job. Trade Warrior, hello from Colombia. How are you? I want this silver to get down here to 12.5 maybe. Silver just dropped 8 cents. Is there a size we recommend gold trades with? Well, if you're going to trade, Miguel, good night. If you're trading the gold, I like to go, like, if you want to go one, this is a bull flag here, Arton. Move bull flag here. Just got down to 15. Now, let's see here. If this silver gets down to the probably the 0914 range, I look to get long here. 620 Nasdaq short. Good job. Good. Here goes the gold. Who won the game? Yankees or Red Sox? There goes the gold. The Sox won. Oh, man. Damn it. Look at this silver go.
Yep, I am officially done for tonight.
Just ran 7 cents on the bull flag. I would short this silver.
Oh, no, I'm done, Steve. I'm done.
I know. I'm just saying. I would short the Red Sox one. No. Oh my God! If this silver gets up to the 23.5 to 28.5, I look to short this silver. 93 overbought. S&Ps, Nasdaq just got kabooshed. Nice long on the S&Ps. S&Ps ran 4. Oh, I hate to force the trade here on this gold. I'm still seeing 94.5, 95. Silver 23.5, 23.5, 23.5, maybe up to the 28.5 range.
Got it.
It never traded there.
Yeah, it traded at 23.
Just now?
I got it when it hit 23.
Hit 21. This one here? 24 to hit.
I got it at 23.
Just now?
And just now again.
Oh, here. Now you got it.
Yeah.
Here we go. Arton, you okay on the silver? That's a big drop for the overnight. Cover the silver between 20.5, 22s. Come on, gold. Why do I keep fading the trend? I said to look to buy it here, okay, because of the sell divergences. That's why. Okay. These MACDs are not confirming on the 60-minute. They had the bases loaded, the Yankees. They couldn't score. What, are they crazy? Oh, my God almighty. Brutal. 290 on the silver short. Got 2 points on the S&P. Good job, Derek. All right. 710. We had 1,740 at one point today. I don't know where the hell they went. They probably went to watch the Yankee game. Please check oil. There's nothing going on in oil. Oil is getting over. If this oil gets up to like the 62.55, 62.54, I look to short it on the oil. Artan, you okay on the silver, Artan? So when silver just pushed down here, I was looking to get long here. The just got down to 15 on this little bull flag. If you see the bull flag mostly on the 3-minute. Right here. This is the bull flag on the 3. Positive MACD, rising ADX. But you want to see an oversold condition. 873, Denny. 873 likes. All right, in 4 minutes, we'll do 10 more. What do you say, Denny, right?
I'm fine with that, Steve.
Okay. Good job tonight, Denny. Denny's on fire.
Thank you.
Silver's got legs. So's gold. How you doing the silver?
I can't get in.
You don't know the symbol?
I do, but it's not pulling up.
Maybe you have to get the market. You have to buy the market data.
Maybe.
That's why.
It's showing for me. Should we be covering or still?
Well, you guys have different firms.
Yeah.
Okay? You guys have different firms. I tell you, I almost threw in the towel tonight, really. I almost didn't show up tonight, to be honest with you. And anybody wants to reach out to me, you can text me at 914-500-7484. Okay? Tried to get long the silver here. I said 09 to 14. Of course, the low is 15. So I was trying to buy it there, actually. Now it should drop here. I'd look to cover the silver 2022s if you're short. Grab the 115 on the NASDAQ dump. All right, it's still got, you may have a little bit more push up on the S&P and NASDAQ. I can't believe this gold. Jesus, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Now watch gold go. Here we go. Gold's going to catch up to silver. Watch. Here we go. Here we go. This gold's going right to 95. Thank you, J Trade. Man, I was hurting today, man. Really.
Too short at 94.
No, I think it's going to 95. As I said, I've been saying all night long. I think so. Gold's going to 95. If gold gets to 95, 99, I would short it. Or you go in case 94.80, 98.80 range. You got to scale in, and the way I scale in, if you want to go, you go 1, 2, 4, or you go 2, 4, 8. If you're trading the big ones, like most people do. Okay, thank you, whistleblower. I love being here. I love everything. I love you guys. I really do. I'm going to start looking at silver now. Oil had a little move. Oil's very. Look at this. They hit 95. What did they hit? 94.80.
Yeah, 94.20.
94.20. Damn it. All right, it's going to go. I don't know if we got 17 minutes. It's going to push up to 95. Okay. 717. We had a record 1740. Denny, what the hell? Where'd they all go?
I guess they didn't want the giveaways.
Look at the silver drop. Again, look to cover the silver 2022s if you're short. Come on, gold. Give me this 95. I've been saying it's going to go to 95 all day. All night. Here goes the silver. Gold rallied 6 here. There goes the S&Ps. There goes the NASDAQ. Again, the 30 and the 15-minute time frames were deeply oversold. That's why I said I thought the S&Ps were going to rally. Okay. S&Ps got down to 12, rallied up to 16. I love this silver, man.
I love it too.
Damn.
A lot of money.
What made me think about it? But, because it basically, it doesn't really do much. Like here, like it just, where's it go from 96 down to 92? It doesn't. Well, the patterns are the patterns. You got nice here, boom, 87. That's all right. Come on, gold. Give me a 1 to 3. Anybody still long the S&Ps? I'd be flat Nasdaq and S&Ps if you're long. What's the symbol? Can everybody give her the symbol for for silver, please?
Yeah, SIZ 25.
Well, it depends. SIZ 25.
Just SI. Just do SI, and you could trade it like that. SI1.
All right, Denny. Let's do 10 more. We said if they had 1,500, we're gonna do. Let's do it. Let's do the AI again.
All right.
Damn it, these S&Ps. They hit 95, 94.80.
94.60
Oh my God.
on the gold.
Come on. I just missed it by 20 cents. Let's go. All right.
Analyzing.
Okay. I can't believe the Yankees lost at home. What is that shit? Bonita Beach, how are you? All right, we're going to do 10 on the AI. Let's going to do 10 on the... Come on this gold. It's not my night on this gold. Missing it.
All right, we got the 10 winners.
Let's go. Here are the 10 winners, guys. You got to be here. Got to be here. Okay.
All right. The first winner is Banana Bandit. Second winner is Jaw LLMS. Third winner is Renee. Fourth winner is SSJ Ford Dark Goten. Fifth winner is AL Property Law. Sixth is Date Cito. Seventh is Jackie G. Eighth is Zoo Trades. 9 is Ademo, 88 MMO. And 10th is Marky 12301. Congratulations to all the winners.
Congratulations. There you go. That's 40 for tonight. That's 40 for tonight. How do we enter? You guys sign in on, and you guys, Vincent M, up 1,500 on the NASDAQ long. Good job. Okay, good job on the NASDAQ. Just rallied about, I would say 22. You guys have to sign in. Where's it pinned on that? We shorting.
Yeah, it's pinned up top, and I've dropped it like 10 times.
Yeah, okay.
10 or 20 times.
Let's see here. We had 1,740, so we said if we got over 1,500, we got to do 10 more. We'll do 10 more at 358, and that's it. That's be 50 for tonight. That's a lot. Hey, that's a big commitment here on MyFundedFutures doing this now. This is our 14th night, and it's 510 giveaways. I mean, I don't know what prop firm does that. Okay, I don't know what prop firm does that. Okay. I think this gold, we want to get a nice drop here on the silver. If you guys are going to trade silver tonight, okay, you can see the 15s reversed to buy. You want to get a pullback on an oversold condition on silver.
Gold's at 95. 96.
Look, there it goes. There you go. I told you it's going to do it. I told you. There you go. Let's see. Let's see if we get... Of course it's going to happen. Boom! There you go. Look to cover anywhere between the 94 and 95 and a half range. There you go. Anybody know where Michael is? Kabooshed. We got to get this gold. We got to get this, what do you call it down here? The silver to drop. This is, here we go. Here's the silver. Look to cover silver 20 and a half, 21 and a half. You're short the silver?
No. The gold, I just sold it.
Okay. All right. And Jake Andrews, that's not true, Jake Andrews. Okay, I'm not going to take any negativity here, so you're getting blocked. That's it. Goodbye. I'm not dealing with nonsense from anybody. I'm too old for this crap. Been doing this too long. I said gold was going to 95. Short the gold to 96.50. Okay, I still think it's going to drop. Look to cover 94, 94, 5.5 here. There goes the gold. Nice way to end the night. All right. There goes the gold drop. And that'd be flat to gold. I would be flat to gold. Got to get this silver to drop. Michael, I don't know what you're talking about. If you want to call me, you can text me 914-500-7484. I'm happy to talk to you about it. Okay. All right. Okay. Look at this. Okay. This is a shitty call, Michael. I hope you got short, Michael. I'm not, Denny, you got to ban people like that. I'm not going to deal with people like this, Denny. Really. Okay. I'm not dealing with that. Okay. All right. All right. Gold just got all the way down to 92. Okay. You get that short? Good job. How much you up tonight?
Only 5.
5 something? Good girl. Very proud of you. Okay. 6 more minutes.
I'm not falling asleep, Stay Blue, and I already banned him.
I'm dealing with this.
Chat, no negativity. Come on.
All right, I think that's about it. 6 minutes to go here. You want to do 10 more, Denny, and that's it? Because we did promise him 50. It's up to you.
Yeah, we can.
Good night, Crystal.
All right. Here's the next 10 winners and last 10 winners for tonight. Kagan Campbell, Todd Timmons, Phil, Mr. Rail Learner. Oh, Mr. Ray Learner, Cool Joker, in Plame C.
Oh, Cool Joker.
Yeah,
That's
Cool
awesome.
Joker. Nice. Jack Set Live, Samantha B, Joe Mopa, and Blaski 4974. Congratulations to all the winners tonight. All right, before we end, I just want to say all the winners, you do not have to do anything to get your prize. As long as you put your MFFU email address that's associated with your account, you will receive your account within the next 24 hours. Please do not open tickets until 24 hours is up. And please do not spam DMs. Thank you.
Look at this silver. I said look to cover 20 and 20, 22s here. Look at this. 20 and a half. This thing just ran 10 cents up here. How do you not short this silver up 17? This thing's I would short this 30, 33 up to like 38. Oh my God. Gold got all the way down to 92.70. All right, so we had a nice couple longs on. Well, we had one long, missed the bear flag on the S&Ps at 2050, at 850, and on the Nasdaq 50 that dropped. S&Ps dropped 6. Actually, S&Ps dropped 6. Right, Nasdaq dropped over 20, and then got caught the long off the deep oversold condition. Look at this gold going to push up to new highs here. This gold is going to push up to new highs here. All right. My Jock, have a good one. Raj K, thank you. All right. And again, anybody who wants to go to my website, sktrading.live. If you want to text me, again, every day I stream from 9 to 4. If you guys want to text me, my number is 914-500-7484. We got 2 minutes to go here. I think if this gold gets up to the 96.80 to even 80, I would look to be short. I think the silver could drop here about 3 to 4 or 5 cents if you sold 33s. What was the high? 34 on silver? 35. I'd be covering below 32 here if you short the silver. See how fast it is? Boom, right back up to 34. I like this silver at night. It's a big pencil move up. All right, Denny, that's a great night tonight. Again, thank you all for being here. Thank you, Denny. Great job, Denny. Thank you all. Again, I was going to throw in the towel tonight. Killer Overpower, how are you? Well, what do you think about? I'm lucky I'm even here today, to be honest with you. Okay, thank you, everybody. I'll see you. Look at this silver. Oh, my God almighty. That's why I said look to cover. I got it. You got to short it again. 42, 48, 42.
Silver is pumping.
This thing is unbelievable. How gold's not moving on this thing. That's why I said look to cover below 32. Look at this thing drop. Oh, this thing's going to get kabooshed. All right, everybody. Have a great night here. If you're short the silver, again, you got to put a 50 stop in. But I think you can get a move here below 40 and a half here, down to 38 and a half range. Isn't silver a short squeeze? Probably not. Probably not. Look to cover this thing here. Look to cover the silver between 41 and 44. 41 and 40, 43. Look at this gold. All right, it's 10 o'clock, everybody. Have a great night. And Denny, thank you. Great job trading, Denny. Again, thank you all. I don't know. The good Lord gave me the strength to be here today, to be honest with you. Have a great night, everybody. God bless you, and God bless the United States, and I'll see you tomorrow. Good night,
See you
everybody.
tomorrow.
Yeah. Charts scribbled like hieroglyphs, secrets in the mist. Candlesticks whisper, every wick got a twist. Fibonacci spiral, price dance in a trance. Pyramids of profits if you catch the right glance.
Inner circle move, shadows on the screen. Trading on the edge, chasing that dream. Cipher in the candles, fortune in the haze. The cipher in the riddle, money through the maze.
Liquidity hunts, snipers in the dark. Stop loss graves marked by the market shark. Order block sermons, preaching through the pain. Catch the ICT code, ride the profit train.